The 12 pieces camping cookware set is perfect for outdoor cooking. It includes durable aluminum pots, pans, a kettle, and foldable utensils for a hassle-free experience. Great for camping or hiking adventures. This cookware set features a compact, stackable design. Pack dimensions are 6.9 inches wide by 4.3 inches tall and weigh 1.76 pounds, fitting neatly into the included mesh bag for easy transport. Enjoy practical features like heat-insulated, non-slip handles on the pots and pans. The kettle's pointed spout ensures spill-free pouring, enhancing your cooking experience. Adaptable to various cooking methods, this cookware set works over gas stoves, alcohol burners, or open flames, making it a dependable choice for any camping meal. The set includes a 1.9-litre pot, 0.8-litre kettle, 0.86-litre frying pan, and two 5.9-ounce stainless steel cups, making it ideal for 2 or 3 people on group camping trips. Foldable cutlery, including a fork, knife, and spoon, comes with a carrying pouch. Each piece features a locking mechanism, providing stability and ease of use outdoors. Compact and portable, the set packs into its mesh bag and fits in your palm. This space-saving design makes it a must-have for camping. The lightweight aluminum kettle is durable and efficient, featuring an ergonomic handle and sleek design. Perfect for boiling water for coffee or tea outdoors. Discover the 12 pieces camping cookware set with stove at campquestoutfitters.com. Lightweight, durable, and perfect for 2 to 3 people, it's your go-to for easy outdoor cooking. Make every adventure memorable, or shop now.